welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to proceeding with remaining question and answer related to Agile Coach interview preparation. If you are looking for this role and crack interview, then this videos playlist and this series is for you only. Just prepare yourself from these question and answers, and still, if you are having any doubts, questions, just put it in the comment box. I would like to help you out. So let's go ahead and see the next question and answers which I have prepared for you. Right? So question number 72. Describe a situation when you had limited information but had to act quickly. So if they ask you like this question, then you can prepare the answer as per your experience and opinion, right? So in one engagement, a production issue disrupted a release on the Friday evening, and the leadership demanded on immediate go on no go decision. Without full data, of course, gathered Without full data, I quickly gathered inputs from the DevOps team and the product owner, prioritized risk, and recommended a rollback. It turned out to be a right call. Later analysis revealed a configuration error. It turned out to be a right call, right? So that incident reminded me that decision in uncertainty rely on principles, not the panic. When facts are missing, experience and the teamwork fill the gap. How do you approach decision making when faced with multiple competing priorities? I follow a structured approach combining value based prioritization and data driven reasoning. I assess each option based on its impact on the customer value, risk, and long term scalability. For example, when two competing automation tools were proposed, I guided the team through lightweight decision metrics and 1 week proof of concept. Okay, POC. You can do it, right? You are aware about the POC things, right? Yeah. So the result was objective alignment. Everyone supported the chosen tool because they participated in that process. Getting my point? So if they are asking something like decision making or something competing priorities, prioritization techniques or something, you can prepare yourself as per your experience and prepare the answer which you can mold as per the question they will ask, right? Yeah, it's not necessary that you have to think each and every time how you can answer or something. You can prepare something in your mind, experiences, or some answers, and mold it according to question. Okay, yeah. So the next question, tell me about the time you turn a failure into a learning experience. If they ask something like that, then you can take this answer as it is or as per your career experience. Okay, so early in my career, I introduced Scrum in the team without first assessing their readiness. So they struggle with roles, backlog grooming, and sprint discipline. Instead of labeling it as a failure, I conducted the retrospective with all the stakeholders to identify the pain points. We discovered a lack of shared understanding and ran 3 week agile bootcamp. Within 2 months, their velocity stabilized and predictability improved by the 40%. So it's really taught me humility that change should be co-related, not imposed. Every mistake is an opportunity to refine approaches and empathy. Okay, because they have asked you something like failure into learning experience. So you have to present the first paragraph like what exactly happened, what you did, and what you have exactly learned from that. Okay, 3 paragraphs. Fine. Yeah. So the next question. Describe a situation where your leadership directly influenced a project success. A client product launch was at risk due to poor communication between engineering and the business teams. So I facilitated a cross-functional alignment workshop using design thinking. By mapping customer journeys and the shared pain points, we recommended and reconnected both sides to a common goal, because the pain point and the journey, it's important, right? Yeah. So the release not only made its deadline but exceeded the engagement targets by 30% as well. So the success was not due to the process enforcement but to empathic facilitation. Okay. Yeah. So the next question, tell me about a time you had to lead a team through major change. If they ask you like these questions, you can mold your the experience answer as per this question. So I led a transformation from a traditional waterfall setup to safe for a global index client. Many were anxious about the new structure and roles as well. So I conducted the awareness session, one-on-one coaching, and the safe experimentation pilots to build the confidence. So we celebrated small wins, made the adjustments based on the feedback as well. After three programs increments, teams became a self-sufficient and cross-functional collaboration double. Leading change, I have learned, is less but about the enforcing the frameworks and more about guiding mindset evolution with the empathy and the patience. Getting my point? So, if you really like these questions, then like my video, share and subscribe my channel with your colleagues, friends who really need this help, right? So, this is Samisha Desai, your agile coach and mentor who is really helping you, trying to help you out to crack the interviews, right? So, if you are having any questions, need personal assistant, mentorship, then you can avail my office. You can DM me for that same. Thank you and be with me.